Good evening, dear students. I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Are you? Okay, very good. Now, shall we study some value? Okay, very good. Today, the class will be about value education. Okay, so what do you mean by value? Value means the code of behavior that we can have in our day-to-day life. Okay, there is a code of behavior that we should follow in our day-to-day life, that is known as value. Okay, so as students, you are all students and I am a teacher. Okay, as a teacher, I should have some values and value of concerning others, value of loving others, value of caring. I should have all these qualities. At the same time, as students, you should also have some quality of your life. Okay, so can you just tell me some values that you should have in your life? Okay, very good answers that you are giving. Okay, so I am just telling you, I am just taking you a section regarding the value of respect for elders. Okay, that's a good quality, it is a good value system that we should follow in our day-to-day life. Okay, we all are social beings. We all are living a social life. Okay, we all are living a social life, and our primary duty in our social situation is to have this attitude of respect. Okay, as students, as the people of younger age, you should have this attitude of respect in your day-to-day life. Okay, so when you see someone who is elder, okay, than you, you should not be so arrogant to her or to him. Rather, you should show love and you should show respect. So, I have taken this point, this topic, that respect for elders, only because of the reason that in our day-to-day life, in the modern scenario, what we see people who does not show any respect to elders. Okay, we see people who are not ready to give any respect for elders. Okay, we see many people in that situation. So I thought that to take a class to you regarding the importance of this respect. Okay, so elders who deserve our respect, they are elders deserve our respect, and we know that who any other people, very good, old age people also, they deserve our respect because they can be attributed as treasures of wisdom. Okay, they can be attributed as treasures of wisdom. So in that way, these elders can be, these old age people can be, they are in need of our respect. Okay, so to have this respect, it may lead to blessing. Okay, I hope you understood it. If you show respect to others, if you show in your activity or if you show in your behavior respect others, it may lead to have blessing from others. So only people see, when we go out from your house, okay, if you tell your parents or if you tell your grandparents that, Father, Grandpa, I am going out Okay, please pray for me, or take care of your health. If you say a good words to him or her, if you show the respect to them, see, they will share, they will show, they will give their blessing. I hope you understood it. To get good blessings from your parents, grandparents, your grandpa, all those people, if you show the respect, they will give you blessing. Okay, I hope you understood it. See, we are dealing with respect for elders. Okay, elders, and to all our people, to whom we should show respect. To elders we should show respect. To older people we should show respect. And this showing respect can lead to have blessing in our day-to-day life. Okay. So a feeling of deep respect to someone or to something is a good quality that we should have. Okay, I am repeating, the feeling of having respect to someone or something is a good quality that we should have. Okay, at the same time we should have gratitude. Okay, we should have gratitude in our day-to-day life. Okay, what do you mean by gratitude? Okay, very good answer you are giving. Gratitude means giving thanks. Okay, suppose, see, someone of you are not having pen or pencil, and you came to your class and teachers told you that please take out your textbook, please take out your pen and write the note that I am giving. And you may be sad, you may be perplexed, and you may look here and there. Okay, and one of your friend who is seeing your situation, he says that, hey, I will help you. I have 2 pens and I will give one to you if you want. Okay, and he is giving his pen to you. Okay, see, that's a good quality that he is showing you, and when you get a help from him, what you have to show? Very good, you have to show gratitude. You have to say your word of thanks to him. You have to say that, thank you so much for your help. Thank you so much for your help. Okay, I hope understood it. Gratitude. Okay. So, through this class, what I want you to have respect for elders. Okay, and you should acknowledge the value of elders. Okay, so all the things I should expect from this class. Okay, so are you ready to show? Are you ready to show love and concern and respect to elders? Okay, very good. And not to elders, to the old age people also, you should show respect. Okay, and at the same time you should admire the qualities of the old age people. Okay, that's a good quality that you should have. Admire and respect the good qualities of the old age people. Okay, I hope you understood it. Now I will tell you a story. Of a boy and a father. Okay, see, in this story we know that this boy is always depending upon his parents for everything and anything. Okay, so when he was in small age, this boy was asking everything to the father, that what is it, what is that, what do you mean by this, and father is giving more examples. Father was telling him that this is the reason that are the happening, all the things the father was explaining. Okay, when the boy he became young, see, this father became old, and the father used to ask the boy that what was that sound, because he lost his hearing. And the boy, what boy did, the younger boy did, he was giving more respect to the father, and he takes care his father so much. Okay, that was the story. And from the story, what do you see? Okay, the boy was giving, boy gives respect to his father. Okay, I hope you understood it. This boy gave or gives respect to his father. Okay, the same way you should also show respect to the elder, to the old age people. Okay, so can you just tell me some qualities that you find in the elder people? Can you just tell me? Okay, very good. Humility. Humility is a good quality that you see in the life of elders. Then other things, knowledge. Okay, very good. Knowledge that you see in the life of old age people. Very good. Any other things? Okay, very good. Wisdom. Okay, that is also a good quality that you find in the life of old age people. Okay, then other things? Very good. Caring. It's a good quality that you find in the life of any other things. Very good. Prayer life. Okay, very good. Prayer life also that you see in the life of old age people. Okay, any other things? Okay, memory. Okay, memory also. Good. They may recognize you so well, and they may say you are from that family, you are the son of that man. Okay, good memory they are having. Okay. So, if you have told me all the qualities that you see in the old age people, any other things? Okay, very good. Smile. You people don't smile, but the old age people smiles a lot, and that's a good quality that you find in the life of elders. Okay, any other thing? Care. Okay, they have the quality of caring. Okay, so all the qualities that you see in the life of old age people. Okay, so can you just repeat it? The qualities that you have told right now, which I wrote here. Okay, very good. You can say one by one. Okay, very good. One more good thing, that is hard work, wisdom, tolerance. Very good. Humility, smile, love, prayer life, memory, simplicity. All the qualities can be attributed to the elders. Okay, very good. You are giving you many other examples or the qualities that the elders are showing in their day-to-day life. So, what I am telling you that it is our duty and obligation to imbibe their qualities and respect the elders. Okay, so I am asking you that one good quality that we see in the life of elders is that the agrarian or agriculture nature. They are all in the agriculture field. They do many hard work. and they do many things, and they are having a virtuous life. Okay, all the things that we see in the life of elders, and the same thing we can see in the life of grandfathers. Okay, they tell their grandsons that you should hard work, you should love others. They give good examples to them, and it is our duty and it is our obligation to lead a good life according to the words of our elders. Okay, so can you just tell me some good qualities that you see in the, you have listed me, if you tell me in a sentence by, can you just tell me some good qualities that you find in the life of elders? Okay, they are good in keeping relationship with the others, very good, and their moral life is excellent. Okay, and they do hard work in the land, and they give sufficient respect to the food, and we can say they have a good diet. All the things that we can see in the old age people. Okay, so I have told you about the qualities that we see in the old age people. Now what we are going to do is that, see, we will give some differences. Here there can be elders, here youngsters, younger people, or you students. Okay, so I will list out some qualities, and you have to say that it can be seen here or it can be seen here. Okay, can you just tell me some points regarding that one? Okay, see, first one, good relationship with the neighbors. Okay, see, to where we can see more good relationship. Okay, very good. In the elders we can see good relationship rather than youngsters. Good relationship with the others. Okay, and where we can see good moral life. Moral life, absolutely, here in the elders we can see more moral life. Okay, for example, the use of mobile. Okay, the use of mobile will be more here than here. Okay, see, and respecting food item. Respecting food item can be more here than here among elders. Okay, and early rising, getting up in the early. Okay, to where we can see among elders rather than youngsters. Okay, so I hope you understood the main differences among these two kinds of people, elders and youngsters. Okay, I hope you understood the differences. So I am just winding up and I am just recollecting the points once again. The class we are dealing with is value education, and in which we see respect for elders, and it's a good quality that we should have, and we should love, and we should respect elders, our teachers and our co-workers, all the people who are in need. Okay, so I wish you all the best, and I wish and pray that as students we should respect the elders and old age people, so that we may get good blessing from them. Okay, so I have told you in the beginning that if you respect your parents, if you respect your old age people, what you are going to get? You are going to get blessings from others, blessings from the elders. So as students, I wish and I pray and I encourage you and I give you a lesson that please respect your elders. Okay, wish you all the best. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Thank you so much.